There must be a con like me in every prison in America. I'm the guy who can get it for you. Cigarettes, a bag of reefer, if that's your thing, a bottle of brandy to celebrate your kid's high school graduation, damn near anything within reason. I guess it comes down to a simple choice. Get busy living, or get busy dying. Geology is the study of pressure and time. That's all it takes, really. Pressure and time. Sometimes it makes me sad, though, Andy being gone. I have to remind myself that some birds aren't meant to be caged. Their feathers are just too bright. And when they fly away, the part of you that knows it was a sin to lock them up does rejoice. But still, the place you live in is that much more drab and empty that they're gone.
You feel you've been rehabilitated?
Rehabilitated? Well, now let me see. You know, I don't have any idea what that means.
Well, it means you're ready to rejoin society.
I know what you think it means, Sonny. To me, it's just a made-up word. A politician's word. Young fellas like yourself can wear a suit and a tie, have a job. What do you really want to know? Am I sorry for what I did?
Well, are you?
There's not a day goes by when I don't feel regret. And because I'm in here and because you think I should. I look back on the way I was then, a young, stupid kid who committed that terrible crime. I wanted to talk to him. I wanted to try to talk some sense to him. Tell him the way things are. But I can't. That kid's long gone. This old man is all that's left. I've got to live with that. Rehabilitated? It's just a bullshit word. So you go on and stamp your form, Sonny, and stop wasting my time. Because to tell you the truth, I don't give a shit. I find I'm so excited I can barely sit still or hold a thought in my head. I think it's the excitement only a free man can feel. A free man at the start of a long journey, whose conclusion is uncertain. I hope I can make it across the border. I hope to see my friend and shake his hand.
I hope the Pacific is as blue
as it has been in my dreams. I hope.